Here's one simple story about restoring an old bike. A boy found an old, rusty bike behind his grandfather's shed. One wheel was flat, the chain was stiff with rust, and the paint had almost disappeared. Most people would have thrown it away, but the boy decided to restore it. Every weekend, he worked on the bike. He cleaned the rust, oiled the chain, and replaced the broken parts. His grandfather told him stories about riding that same bike to school many years ago, which made the work feel special. Slowly, the bike began to look alive again. After weeks of effort, the bike was ready. It wasn't perfect, but it was strong and shiny. When the boy rode it down the road for the first time, he felt proud. The old bike wasn't just repaired, it carried memories from the past and hope for the future. If you want it shorter more dramatic or written like school assignment just tell me smile.